I was able to do, and this is the one only young M of the Forex guru, to kill the market every day. These are the trades I've been holding since last week, guys. I did say yesterday that I'm not gonna close, and as you can see, we're on a live account, guys. It's beautiful. I'm about to double this account right here. I'm about to double this account. I'm almost about to double this account. As you can see there, we have students that are coming to join today for the online classes, man. It's about to be a movie. It's the one only young able Forex guru. You know, I always try my level best to become a better version of myself every day. You know, I'm trying to break the stereotype of thinking as a Forex trader that you can only make 200 USD. No, you can actually make more. It's the one only young able the Forex guru. If you didn't know, well, now you
Forex is a scam. I need 2 hands to hold all this thing. I need like 2 hands to hold all these papers. Prophetic strategy robot, baby. Prophetic strategy robot, baby. Oh my flipping God. When I give you a call, you answer. I'm trying to video call you right now. You're not even answering. Yes.